Alright, we're going to pop our first hole right in here. What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Doing a little ice fishing today. Just got to the pond, punched a hole, set up the shelter. It's a cold one today. It's like -5. Not getting any fish, so I'm going to punch a couple more holes and see if we can't find the fish. And once we do, we'll get set up more permanent. It's a little too chilly to be jigging outside today. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get into them. I've been punching holes all over this place. We're gonna go right into the middle. Find the deepest hole we can. And see if we can't get on some fish. This pond, it's a small pond. It's only about 25 acres. But it's bowl shaped. It's like a deep bowl shape. So it drops off quickly. And it probably gets to about 15, 20 in the middle. There's no structure. It's kind of hard to pinpoint where they might be. I've tried to work with some weed edges. Tried going in that, I don't know, 10 foot, 15 foot. I'm just going to go right in the middle here. See what happens. Doesn't get much more middle than this, so punch a hole right here. There we go. I think we got some fish. There we go, finally. Holy moly. Don't know what it is, no idea. Still got him on. He's a little guy. Whatever it might be. Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally, yes. Pumpkinseed. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is the kind of stuff I want to catch. Right here, some pumpkinseed. I just want to sit on a school of them and just yank them up. Finally, man, we've been searching this little pond. There's a little guy, but these will do. Oh yeah, awesome. Finally got into them. That's the first fish of the day. I've been out here for probably a couple hours, man, trying to find fish. Finally just came right out in the middle, deepest hole I could find, and boom. They were fat under here. They'll have to come back. I think I might send the whatchamacallit back down there. There we go. There we go, baby. Getting into them now. This one feels a lot bigger than the last one. Well, maybe not a lot. Boy, they're not putting up much of a fight. Right to the surface. So much about him being a lot bigger, huh? He's not a lot bigger. Still a ton of fun though, man. I just love feeling that tug. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Reckon, buddy. There. Oh. Missed the hook set on him. Oh, man. There we go. Oh, we got a nice one. Oh, we got something wicked nice. Oh, yeah. What is it? Oh, that's a nice one, baby. Oh, this is nice. I don't want to lose them. Oh, yeah. Look at... Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Got a bass. Yes, I got a bass. That's my first largie under the ice. I've gotten a smallmouth before. But that is my first largie. Awesome. Look at that bad boy. He's not huge, man, but it's cool catching a largemouth under the ice. Put you back in the water. Look at them, boys. There you go. Nice. That made my day right there. That made my day. All right. That was my first largemouth ever through the ice. Awesome. Okay. Let's get our jig back down there, man. They are stacked down there. He broke my line right at the end there. Luckily, I got him out. Sweet. There we go. Got another one. There's probably another Pumpkinseed. I'm wrapped around my transducer line. There we go. Got you out. Another Pumpkinseed. All right. Little guy. It's time for a little celebratory hot cocoa. And then we're gonna send the Donkey Tail Jr. down. Let's see if we can't get something with that. Okay, sending the Donkey Tail Jr. down. I don't know if those little Pumpkinseed mouths are gonna go after the Donkey Tail Jr., but they might. I don't know. We've got some fish that are up to meet this, though. Oh, man, it's a flurry of activity down there. We got something? We got something. This could be another. Oh, that's a decent size. Yeah. A little bit bigger, maybe. Yeah. About the same. There we go. Another Pumpkinseed. We're on them. Fresh spike and some glow action. I'm going to try that Berkeley power bait next. Give it a little glow. Let's drop her down. See them stacked up down there. There we go. Be another Pumpkinseed, I'm guessing. It is. Nice. Little guy. Oh. There we go, buddy. Come on. Back to the hole. I got the Swedish pimple loaded up with some spikes. Drop her down there. There we go. Finally. Oh, don't get wrapped in that. There we go. Pretty, these pumpkin seeds. Oh man, now. Oh yeah. There we go. Another guy. None of them are huge, but a ton of fun to catch. Okay, it's getting about 1-ish. So I think I'm just gonna fish for a few more minutes. Maybe catch 1 or 2 more. Run that heater. Get warmed up. Catch a fish or 2. And then pack up and call it a day. So still fishing with a Swedish pimple. Dropping it down now. Not even hardly jigging, man. I'm just kind of dead sticking it. I think the jigging is kind of spooking them. Couple light little jigs. There we go. There we go. How about that same cookie cutter size? Yeah, we got something huge on the graph, or a huge school. Ooh. Let's get this down here quick. This one feels decent. It's always hard to tell. Oh, it's not. Okay, we're going to drop this tungsten jig head down with a little spike on there. Catch a fish and then call it a day. One more fish for good measure. There we go, getting hits. There we are. Okay, there we go. Last fish of the day. Another pumpkinseed. Got a bunch of pumpkinseed and 1 largemouth bass. Had some issues trying to find the fish at first. I spent some time out here trying to find the fish. Once I found them, it was pretty steady action. So next time I think we go ice fishing, we'll be going after perch, and then we're going to set up some tip-ups for pike. So just looking for a warmer day. I can't set up tip-ups when it's 1 degree out, so it's just too cold, not worth it. But as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let you go, buddy.